Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail form tracking. Connect phone and web leads to your marketing. Add form tracking to call tracking and open up insights into all your lead activity. Try it free to find out which marketing works, online and off. Bring all your leads into focus. Never miss another lead with quick response. When you are busy serving customers, it's easy to miss leads. Quick response can help. More than notification, it instantly calls or texts new lead details, no matter where you are. See a simple, seamless timeline for every contact. Form tracking connects all your phone and form leads, including call recordings and transcriptions. With their entire contact history right at your fingertips, when they are ready to talk, so are you. Find out which marketing campaigns make your phone ring. If your business relies on quality customer conversations, you need CallRail. Match inbound calls, text, forms, and live chats to your marketing campaigns to finally learn what's working and what's not. Track, analyze, improve, convert. Smarter marketing for agencies and your clients. Report on all touchpoints without platform bias. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. We work the way you work. Our pre-built integrations let you feed data from CallRail into the marketing tools your clients use most, like HubSpot. You can also use our open API to connect data from CallRail into other tools they may use. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.